Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could seriously boost the performance of your Synology Rackstation RS2423RP plus NAS. We're talking about the NEMIX RAM 32GB DDR4 2666 MHz kit. Specifically, this is a 2x16GB kit, so you're getting 2 sticks of 16GB DDR4 RAM. Now, why is RAM so important for a NAS like the RS2423RP+? Well, your NAS uses RAM for everything from running the operating system and file system to handling applications like Plex, Docker containers, and virtual machines. The more RAM you have, the smoother and more responsive your NAS will be, especially when you're multitasking or dealing with large files. This NEMIX RAM kit is designed to be compatible with the Synology RS2423RP+. It's DDR4, which is the current standard for most modern systems, and it runs at a speed of 2666 MHz. It's PC4-21300 rated, which just tells you the bandwidth it can handle. It operates at a voltage of 1.2 V, which is standard for DDR4 and helps keep power consumption down. It's also CL19, which refers to the CAS latency, a measure of the delay between when the memory controller requests data and when it's available. Lower latency is generally better, but 19 is perfectly acceptable for this type of memory. Importantly, this is ECC unbuffered UTA memory. ECC stands for error correcting code. This type of memory can detect and correct single-bit errors, which can help prevent data corruption and system crashes. This is especially important for a NAS, where data integrity is paramount. Unbuffered means that the memory doesn't have a register between the memory controller and the DRAM chips, which can improve performance in some cases. UDIM just means unbuffered DIMM, which is the standard type of memory used in desktop computers and NAS devices. NEMIX RAM focuses on providing memory solutions for enterprise storage, servers, workstations, and even standard PCs and Macs. They emphasize enhanced performance, and memory upgrades are often the easiest and most cost-effective way to improve your system's speed and responsiveness. Installation is usually very straightforward. You'll want to consult your Synology RS2423RP plus owner's manual for specific instructions, but generally, it involves opening up the NAS, locating the memory slots, and carefully inserting the new RAM sticks. Make sure they click into place properly. NEMIX RAM also offers a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a great peace of mind. They also have a support staff available to help with any questions or issues you might encounter. So if you're looking to upgrade the RAM in your Synology RS2423RP plus NAS, the NEMIX RAM 32GB DDR4 2666 MHz kit is definitely worth considering. It's compatible, it's ECC, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. It could be just what you need to unlock the full potential of your NAS.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.